Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing this portable jump starter and air compressor made by Auxito, model number AJ01. A link to this will be included in the video description. It's an affiliated link. With every sale from that link, I do get a bit of cutback to help keep my channel going. This is a portable jump starter with a 11,200 mAh battery capacity. This can be used for both jump starting your vehicle or as a power bank. This also includes a built-in portable air compressor to inflate a tire, air mattress, sports balls, etc. Opening the box, you can see everything is neatly packed in a hard case. There is a zipper on the one side of the case and it splits into half. One side will have the jump starter and the air compressor combo, and the other side will have all the accessories. On the front display where the buttons are located will be a digital screen when the unit is turned on. This display will show the current battery charge, pressure of a tire, and set pressure. Everything is controlled by the 5 buttons. There is a power button, built-in light with different modes, plus and negative values for the tire pressure, and a memory button for different tire pressure settings. The measurements of the unit is 7.79 inches in height, 4.4 inches in width, and 2.08 inches in thickness. It takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge. On the one side is a port to connect the jump starter. At the other side is a charging port and USB output port for charging devices. Next to the top is a light which can illuminate solid, strobe, SOS, and illuminate red. Next to that light is the air compressor port. As you can see, turning on the power button, we can see the current charge and activate the air compressor. The plus and minus arrows allows us to increase or decrease the pressure settings. Also included in the package is a screw-on port for the air compressor. The air compressor line uses a clamp-on fitting so you don't have to continuously hold it into place while pumping up your tire. Next is the portable jump starter attachment. This plugs into the side of the unit, has an LED light to determine if there is any faults. I'll show you how this works in a moment. An example using the air compressor feature. This tire is currently sitting at 10 psi. The air line is clamped onto the valve of the wheel. The air pressure setting is selected by using the plus and minus arrows. In this case, it's 34 psi. The display will flash 3 times, then the power button is pressed again to turn on the air compressor. This is a larger tire that requires a higher volume of air. It took about 5 minutes to pump this tire up 24 psi. This is great if you are in a pinch and have a flat tire. This can be used on trailers, bicycle tires, motorcycles, air mattresses, inflatable towables for boating, and even sports balls. The inflation range is anywhere from 3 to 120 psi. The air compressor can be toggled between various settings to change the pressure rating. This includes psi, kPa, bar, and kg per cm squared. As for jump starting a vehicle, this is a 3.4 liter V6. The battery is dead on this truck from sitting. Locate the battery, pull back the rubber port to expose the booster port, and plug in that jump starter attachment. Then install the clamps onto the battery terminals. Black is for ground and red is for positive. The jump starter attachment will have a green LED illuminating if everything is okay. Then get in your vehicle and start the engine. Right now the jump starter is only at 29% capacity. Its starting current is 3500 peak amps. It has a built-in lithium-ion battery rated at 11,200 mAh. Works on 12-volt vehicles equipped with gas or diesel engines. It is able to start up to an 8-liter diesel engine. It has various built-in safety protections so it cannot damage the electronics. This includes various protections for overcharging, voltage, overcurrent, overload, reverse polarity, short circuit, high and low temperatures, anti-spark, and reverse charging. Let the vehicle run for a bit to build up that charge. Going back to the jump starter, as you can see, we are still at 29% capacity. Overall, I have to say this is a great device to carry around in your vehicle, adding to your camping gear, or even just at home. I have always been a huge fan of these portable chargers and power banks. Having the portable air compressor is a huge benefit as well. While this is a little heavier and bulky, it's well worth having, especially with all the capabilities. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.